Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Kraken or TradeRepublic. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you two important things. Because the first thing is I won't tell you which application is better right here because both applications are great. And I just tell you right here in this video which application fits you the best if you don't know which application to choose. The second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos on crypto brokers, so I will tell you today with my experience which application is the best for you. Let's start right here with the main focus on Kraken, and the main focus on Kraken is crypto trading and investing. The main focus on TradeRepublic is beginner investing, so when you're a beginner and want to invest, I recommend you to use TradeRepublic. Then if you go right here to best for, and with best for I mean this is the best for if you are that or maybe so like this. Because right now if I'm telling you that Kraken is the best for crypto traders and TradeRepublic is the best for long-term investors, you can choose already right here which one you want to pick. If I go right here to the trading tools, where Kraken has a strong crypto tool, has TradeRepublic a simple investing tool. So I think the biggest difference is TradeRepublic is more on investing, stocks and stuff like that, and Kraken is more crypto based. Then if you go to the interface, Kraken is more professional and TradeRepublic is very beginner friendly. And then if you compare fees and trading cost, Kraken has lower crypto trading fees, where TradeRepublic has low stock ETFs cost, but higher crypto spreads. So please keep this in your mind and decide from here which one you want to choose. And if you're asking me, many users use Kraken to do on crypto investing and staking, and many users use TradeRepublic to do on ETF stocks or saving plans. So hopefully after this video, you know exactly right now which application you need to pick. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.